Okay, 12th of June 2024. We had CPI data, which I've been trading before, made 975 here on the all these ranges here. Got 1 minute till open. I'm gonna be trading a live account. Preparing myself, to be honest, for a fade. A huge gap. But there's still a lot of liquidity up here. So 41, 42, we can go higher. It's overnight. Oh. Yeah, that's the top. Getting a pullback. Or is this a sell-off? Oh, sell-off. Sell-off, but $37. Yeah, I was thinking about getting that for the push into this high. All right. I have extra one between 6 and maybe we'll do between 5 and 9. Straight we're gonna do up to 4. 5, 9. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about getting the POC has shifted up. Let's watch this close. 2000 delta. Beautiful.
Order submitted.
28, 29. CPI, pretty good number. What did we take with that push down? Okay, we did take some 15 minutes candles. 1, 2. We grabbed the liquidity.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm in. Let's see. I'm gonna make money. It's gonna be a disaster. Okay, there I go and grab that low. So I need to give a little bit of space versus 3000 delta. So it's a massive number. pegging on the bear side. Not great. They're pumping it lower. I mean, at least they're trying. Push it lower. Okay, I'm getting more space for this really because this is fair value gap, right? Let's see if it's gonna hold. Let's go. Let's go to this 40, 35. Somewhere there. At least to 34 for start. Let's see if they're gonna squeeze higher. No. Yeah, sell to 33 is something I'm looking for. Okay, so we have 3,000 delta here, 1,500 delta there, or 6,600. Yeah, 3,000. This is yeah, this is strong. This is strong. Let's see if we're gonna get this 34. Can't pull it lower, obviously, but it's a strong buy here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how far we're gonna go. Okay, pumping higher. Let's see if we're gonna get this 34. We'll
Order
close
filled.
here because what I think we might pull back a little bit. Try to get
Order
that here one more
submitted.
time. Oof. Probably got out too early. Trying to micromanage this trade sometimes. But I'm looking at the time and they have 5 more minutes to crack that 15 minutes candle. Which means we can chop around here for another 5 minutes. Maybe even more, maybe 6, and then push. Then grab that. Plus they did sell into that volume. As you can see, not pushing higher. So I'm okay-ish with staying on the side. But yeah, it's going there. Yeah, no. Not yet, not yet. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can catch this one more time somewhere cheaper. Let me just stretch this time a little bit. It's just too much. All right. Yep, like I thought, they still have time. Got 4 minutes. They don't need to push right now. Can get there 4:30. Alphabet is pulling down a little bit. Intel as well. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia is pumping higher. 123.85. Okay, well, looks like we're gonna go. So
Order
that was
canceled.
a missed opportunity. Came out too early. That's what she said. Anyway. Alright. Okay, now we're pushing higher. I was sitting there long from here. Covered there on my evil account. Beautiful push. Was hoping for that push to 40. But unfortunately, I chickened out. I wanted to be too smart. I don't know. Anyway, $160 is $160. Okay, Nasdaq as well, making new high, all-time high. Oh, tick chart is like, Jesus, I need to show you that. Look at tick chart. We went to up to 2000 on the tick chart. Crazy, crazy buy. Yeah. What else do we have today? I mean, because this is not over. We have a federal funds rate decision today, I think. Yeah. And the FMOC press conference. Oh, that's a crazy day. Oh, so much on the plate. So much. That's pain. And I could see the recipe for long 3,000, 1,600, 2,000. Look at that. What a waste. What a waste. Yeah, we'll be closing here anyway. Into that. 35 is waiting to get. 35 is waiting to get filled at the bottom. Thank you, baby. All right. What else? You got that 40. Right. Still pumping. Wow, 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 wow. This is all you need to get to. Could close one here. Beautiful push here. Even 40. Even 50 is waiting. What a waste. What a waste. See how they went down here to grab the liquidity. One tick below. That was enough. They didn't want that. They didn't want that. Okay, so let's start to put the information on the chart. Where it is open. Okay. Traditional hot pink. So it stands out.
Biden says prices are still too high, but today's report shows welcome progress on lowering inflation.
Still pumping. Yankee is pushing. Russell's pushing. Dollars falling. $9.50 macro. $3,000 on this candle. So we got to 43. ICT macro. Alright. Dropping into this low volume node. to both. Lots of buying. Look at that imbalance. Just take it easy. Mm. Yeah, we have 3 more minutes. Big boys. Interesting. Let's watch this big boys. Yeah. Big boys of 3,000. From the open, let me just check that. Okay. Slowly buying, but not crazy. Don't see them. Street is crazy. 10,000. Guys in the middle, which is between. I need to put that there. Honestly. Yeah, street is 1 to 4, and this is middle. 5 to 9. Or can I change name? 5 to 9. I'll just do 5 to 9. 5, 9. Positive. I don't know. This negative. Middle. Okay, the name should be unique, not empty. God damn it. 5-9. Wrong. Beautiful. Okay, to stop this video for a second. Okay, we're back. So apparently I can't put names and numbers here. So this one is need to remember. Straight is 1 to 4. That's me. Middle 5 to 9. Big boys above. That's alright. 5 to 9. Straight 1 to 4. Good. Yeah, what a waste of this trade here. Can't believe it. That's what happens. Still lots of liquidity here. Okay, up to 50. That was a good pullback. Apple's already 3% up. Nvidia 3% up. Quickly have a look here. Microsoft up. Positive day so far. So middle boys are buying. Straight is 1,900. I don't understand what is going on here. This is not really showing. I probably have to watch this. Let me just reset this now. 6,000, 2,000. Okay, let's reset it. It's not always accurate. 37. I would prefer if this could just dip in here one more time, but it doesn't need to get down here. It does not need to get down here, because when you look at that dip took that liquidity. This dip took that liquidity. Now this dip is taking that liquidity. So if we get down here, we can even, we can go. All right. See a bit of selling here. The big buy. Looks like 50. More like 60 contracts sold here. 40, 75. Yeah, I don't need to go lower than that. 5, 6 more minutes till we complete another 15 minutes candle. That's the 15 minutes candle. It's a bit of liquidity down here, so let me see. Yeah, it's interesting how they're gonna play. So we're gonna fight that gap at some point. We're just gonna pump it up. I just still pump a little bit higher, but 450, 447, 450 is there. But we have FMOC statement decision today. FMOC statement is at 2 p.m. It's expected to stay, I guess. Yeah, as it is. But that's given pretty much. I don't see any changes here this month, but it will be quite important what the press conference, what Jerome Powell is going to say. Is he going to take the market down, or is he going to push the market even higher? That's going to be interesting. Still pumping. Okay. Well, we are going into this 50, right? Beautiful candle. This is one leg. Get another leg. uh, okay, we got a nice push there. This is gonna keep pushing. Projected move. 55. Nothing there at 55. Let's say 53. 54. We'll see. This is open. Yeah. So like I said, they didn't have much reason to go down here. You have to buy those pullbacks. I imagine you're shorting that thing from here. Big boys, huh? 16, if I can actually trust that. Let's see. Okay. Looks like somebody just came and sold. Mm-hmm. Intel already selling. Alphabet is already selling. Up already, 3.6% up. 10% since yesterday. More than that. But interesting, Amazon and Meta, look at that. Amazon selling, Meta selling. Tesla is actually going up. Google selling, Intel selling, Nvidia still pumping.
In 10 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, see the release of the weekly EIA inventories data. Crude oil inventories, the forecast is a draw of 1.5 million on the prior build of 1.233 million. The range sees a build of 1.938 million with a minus or a draw of 3 million. The gasoline inventories, the forecast is a build of 1.5 million on the prior build of 2.102 million. Distillate inventories, forecast is a build of 2.147 million on the prior build of 3.197 million.
Street is
inventories
going
including
up.
Cushing, the prior was a build of 0.854 million.
Big boy is selling.
And keep in mind the release of the private oil inventories numbers last night via API. A crude oil stock change came in at a larger than expected draw of 2.428 million on the expected draw of 1.75 million.
This 450 is waiting. Big boys is increasing. A little bit of selling. 19, 15, 20. Sorry, 13 contracts. Middle also is getting a little bit. Selling a little bit. Only street is buying that. Yeah. Nice. 23. 3,500 street. Big boys are selling. Some smart guy on the street side just sold too. Okay. 5 more minutes. Street pushing 3,600.
In 5 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the
700.
weekly EIA inventories numbers. Crude oil inventories forecast is a draw of 1.5 million on the prior build of 1.233
Crude oil.
million. The range sees a
it's not
build
gonna
of
move the market.
1.938 million to a draw of 3 million expected. Gasoline inventories forecast is a build of 1.5 million on the prior build of 2.102 million. Distillate inventories, the forecast is a build of 2.147 million on the prior build of 3.197 million. Inventories of crude in Cushing, the prior was a build of 0.854 million. Another reminder, did see the release of the private inventories numbers from API last night. They saw crude oil inventories come in at a larger than expected draw of 2.428 million on the expected 1.75 million draw.
50. Street 4,000.
Order submitted.
Let's see how far I can push. 53 maybe. I'm gonna go short up there. 54, 55 is the measured move. So I can see liquidity up to. We have more. Do we have somebody at 60? Not yet. What is this? 53. Big boys are buying as well. Street is buying. Everybody went crazy. They're ramping it up. Dollar dropping, Microsoft, Nvidia pushing higher. But Intel dropping, Alphabet dropping, Microsoft kind of pulling back a little bit. Tesla's going up. Meta dropped. I don't know, I think Let's try to go
Order
2 so
submitted.
we can close 1. $53, $75, $55. Yeah, I can go higher than that. $53.75. I think they want to take that as well. And I was looking.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the EIA.
Got to
crude
change
oil
the way I
inventories.
trade. Hold this a bit longer on a day like this.
Order cancelled.
Just okay, we got 1 minute 30 seconds, so we're gonna create this 15 minutes combo here. Let's see if they're gonna push this higher. I can see 56 now. Waiting. So let's wait for 56.
10 seconds.
Oh my god, a nice push. Did we get that?
A build of 3.73 million. A build of 3.73 million. So that's higher than the expected draw of 1.5 million. Gasoline inventory is a build of 2.566 million. Build of 2.566 million. Higher than the expected build of 1.5 million.
Hasn't made it up there.
A distillate, they saw a build of 0.881 million, build of 0.881 million, lower than the expected build of 2.147 million. Crude Cushing, that was a draw of 1.593 million, and draw of 1.593 million.
And we can get a nice drive to the upside. But do I want to?
According to a Hamas official, Hamas denies putting forward new ideas for proposed Gaza ceasefire deal.
We'll see. $53, $57. What else do we see?
As we did see some downside move in WTI crude there, following the larger than expected storage build in WTI crude inventories.
Okay.
We have posted out the weekly EIA inventories reports on the feed for anybody
Mid was selling
interested.
more. Street is still long, very long, 4,000. Somebody sold here. Yeah, let's see. We're gonna crack the 53.75. push through this. And who knows? Might get a dip. Although I don't see any liquidity down here other than 40, 49. So that's pretty shallow. A lot of shorts from here trapped. Oops. Just move that in. Yeah. So 15 minutes coming, right? Bottom of it. Good. $55, $56, $57. So difficult to buy this. That was a good buy here. Let's see. In 15 minutes we'll have a macro. 10:50. Yeah, in 15 minutes. So might chop around here. Push through that. What I want is just push and drop. And then slowly get down there into this area.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of
Free.
news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of
Give
Financial
me
News
the
Pro
points.
for a year's worth of our service
12,
for the
13
price
points
of 1
from here.
month and save 92%.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 55. Push to 55, and it doesn't mean I'm gonna stop there. Still go. Nasdaq is turning around a little bit. A little bit. More like a pullback. Russell holding high. Pulling back already.
Order cancelled.
It's a good entry for long. If you're brave.
The euro extending gains against the dollar, now up 1% on the day as the dollar extends its weakness.
Dollar's still fine. Got some trapped shorts here, so it's not a bad entry for long. What happened with the liquidity at 56, 55? It's gone. Well, somebody stepped in, pegging this market to the downside, blocking it from going up. That's how, when I see this, I usually short. But this is CPI day today. No, it's gone. It's gone. Still, this pressure is down here. It's just 400. It's nothing. Why got so empty now? Is there news or something? No. No news. Dollar is approaching a level of support. Look at that emptiness here. Boom. 43 past. Could go down here and grab that. And this as well. It's the liquidity they could take. So the pegging here at 450 was actually correct thinking. No liquidity. That's a bit.
Russell 2000 extends gains, last up 3% now.
Technically speaking, that's a liquidity they can go after. But no.
Order submitted.
Let's try
Order
long.
filled.
Let's try long here, as we did take that liquidity. They grabbed a lot of liquidity this time. Because
Target filled.
they take it. I don't see a liquidity down up here. That's my problem with holding this long. Just don't want to long into a situation when I do not see anybody waiting for it. So just grab the 300. I mean, what was that? $150 or something. I see liquidity at 40. Okay, 47 now, 48.50. 47, 48, 50, okay. And 40 as well. So if we can catch it one more time here,
Order
we'll
submitted.
get it. Now I can see a bit of liquidity here. So I'm thinking, yeah, we might get down there. This trade was based on grabbing liquidity on the 15-minute candle. That's it. But who knows, we might go even to this one. Call like that as well. Mm. 50 is waiting.
Order canceled.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. So technically speaking, this was overblock, right? Like here, a lot of trapped shorts here, escaped. Let's just put that here. $50, $51. Could go higher. Where's my MES? Here. Yeah, they should push this higher. Because now they have a lot of shorts. Equity is 52. Again, panicked a little bit here. So they have collected liquidity from here, basically. The whole thing. Well, look at that. Big boys minus 1,452. That's a big number. We have some clusters of 49.50 selling. Could get a nice we're fine. This is the 50 delivery. Tick chart below zero line. Big boys are very short. I've got some buyers coming in. 42, 31, 41. Do I trust that? This could be just shorts closing position from here. 6 minutes, and they could do a nasty push up here and sell. Take all the shorts up here. Let's wait for that. That's the order block again. Trapped shorts are getting out. The second time I got a second opportunity to get out, obviously. Hmm. 5 more minutes. Not much liquidity here. So basically at that 450, when I saw that pegging to the downside, it was that was the moment of truth for the market. Market was pushing it lower. 1, 2, and if this is failed second entry short, I can pump this higher and sell here, or even up here, and then we're gonna dump it. Let's see. Market is a nasty thing. Yeah, but the big boys, at some point they were minus 200 and they got to minus 1,500, so let's see. I'm resetting to see who's buying, who's selling at this place. Okay, big boys are selling from 50 to minus 25. Yeah, that was a good thinking here. But unfortunately, this was good thinking 50 when I saw this pegging up here. I think, there you go, that's when they started to push market down. 450. They didn't allow market to go to pop high. I was thinking initially buy this pop, drop, but then I thought like, nah, you have to be brave to do it. This one was okay, but not this one on the second leg. So this thing 50 to 43, beautiful drop. They pushed it. Shorts bought it. They also covered a bit. We'll see. I didn't like the fact that this thing to go long. I didn't like the fact this was empty as well. Kind of got distracted with other things, looking at Nvidia, looking at other places. I missed it. But that's a good thing. I have a yeah, I have to look at this one more time today. This recording. I do recommend you to have a look on that. There was a moment on Bookmap when we started to peg basically from the top, adding a lot of liquidity at 450, not allowing this price to go higher. And that was a good place to enter your short. Yeah. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock. That's the range we have from here to there, technically speaking. And I think time to walk away from the casino. And then we'll come back for J. Powell. Because we have 3 hours till J. Powell. I'm gonna remove this other block. I can see this here. I need that. Okay. Mm. No, they have liquidity here. They want to push through. They can do it. Hmm. Are they going to do it? A lot of liquidity up here. Look at it. Yeah. But we did take that liquidity and this one as well. We dipped into that trap shorts.
Apple shares extending gains to more than 5% today.
Crazy. 5%. Wow. Nvidia is 4% up.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Apple 513. AMD 127. Nvidia 4% up. Just push a bit higher. There is a 15-minute candle here, but it's kind of liquidity here. To qualify this as a liquidity is up here pretty much. Maximum. We could turn around, drop. Again, pegging here, you see that? 45. Dropping a lot of orders. 45, 44.50 pretty much. And let's see. Should continue low. Let's watch that if it's gonna continue low. Yeah. We got 3 more minutes and then I can tap into this liquidity. See how they're holding it. Let's watch this. I wanna pay attention to this little details because we had exactly the same situation here at 50. Big boys, okay, they're not. Somebody's covering here. How did we get? Now we have on both sides. Interesting, yeah? Just watching. I'm pretty happy with today's result. 975 on Evo, 300 on paid account. Next time we're gonna be taking this kind of trades. I need to mark them somehow. I'm gonna mark them like that. It was 50, right? somewhere here. They were dropping that. Same thing here. See that? We know 42, 44.50. Yeah, this order block basically. Order of blocks of orders, trying to squeeze the price to the bottom. And now we're taking the 15 minutes again. Can go up down here. It's gonna be interesting. Are we gonna get that low as well? We have liquidity down to this. I'm tempted to go long once we hit this emptiness somewhere here. Woo. You know what I'm gonna do? MES. By 5 there. Did we take the liquidity? To the tick. To the tick, my friend. Missed that. To the tick. Look at that. While I was setting up MES, this is what happened. We didn't take that 15-minute candle, but we took that liquidity. It's more about that liquidity, really. This one, yeah. We'll see. Nasdaq hasn't done that yet, so I'm watching Nasdaq as well. Hope I get a pullback. 14 London time, 11. New York. have to buy that. It's basically just need to step into that. This beautiful pullback and probably gonna try this up there. Because now they have it. The only problem is the Nasdaq hasn't done it, but not every time Nasdaq is doing the same thing. Guys, yes. Not every time. Plus these candles are kind of thin. I don't see much volume up here. So kind of thin. There's still a lot of liquidity below 41. Waiting there, so who knows, we might get there. It's lunchtime, almost. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this video here. And we'll come back. So that was a chart trader. We've been watching ES CPI New York session open. 300 up. Not a lot, that's okay. Take care and see you later.